All are fine. Today our book is 7 New Countdown 2nd edition, and today our exercise is 3 and page number is 44. We have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Today we can do question number 6, which is about write the fractions in decimal form by changing the denominators to a power. We have to write the fractions, these fractions in decimal form. Okay, so let's start and write their denominators to their power of 10. So let's start over today's lecture. So exercises, exercise is 3. Okay, exercise is 3. Question number is 6. Write the fractions in decimal form by changing the denominators to a power of 10. So let's do first its part number 1 by 10. First of all, we have to divide it. So 1 and 10. 1 doesn't come in a table of 10, so we can place a 0 point. So 0 comes here. 10 ones are 10. So its answer is 0.1. This is its answer. Now move towards its part number 2, which is 1 by 5. Solve 1 and 5. 0 point, we can place a 10. 5 2s are 10. This is it. Now move towards its part number 3, which is 1 by 50. We have to solve it. 1 and 50. 1 doesn't come in a table of 50, so we can place 0.10. 10 also doesn't come in a table of 50, so we can place one more 0. For placing one more 0, we can place here a 0 and 0. 50 2s are 100. Okay, now move towards its part number 4, which is 1 by 20. Solve it. 1 comes in a bracket and 20 out of the bracket. 0 point, so we can place a 10. Also 10 doesn't come in a table of 20, so we can place a 0 and double 0. 25s are 100. Okay, I hope you can understand it, that how to solve these questions. These are simple division. We have to write these value in fractions. Oh sorry, these are in fraction form, so we have to write them in a decimal form. Now move towards its part number 5, which is 1 by 25. Solve. 1 comes in a bracket and 25. 0.10, we can place one more 10. 0 and 0. Now we have to check that is 100 comes in a table of 25. So if we can check it, then 25 4s are 100. Now move towards its part number 6, which is 1 by 40. Now 1 comes in a bracket and 40 out of the bracket. 0.0, we have to place one more 0, so 0. Whenever we can place two zeros in a same time, we have to place 1 0 in our answer. Now 40 is 100 comes in a table of 40. Yes. How? Is 100 comes in a table of 40? No, it doesn't, because if we can multiply 40 with 2, 2 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8, and 40 with 3, the answer is 3 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12. it is more than 100, so we can place 40 to the 80. If we can subtract it, the answer is 20, and we can, sorry, it gives carry to this. Okay, no, sorry, 0 minus 0 is also 0, and we can place a 20, because if we can subtract 8 and 0, subtract 80 from 100, the remainder is 20. We have placed a point, so we can place one more 0 with it. But now we have to check is for 200 comes in a table of 40, 5 0 0, 5 4s are 20. Yes, 40 5s are 200. Okay, now move towards its next part, which is 7 3 by 4. Now we have to solve it. 3 comes in a bracket and 4 out of the bracket. 0 point and 0 is 30 comes in a table of 4. 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28. The remainder is 2. We can place one more 0. 4 5 is 20. We can place, how we can place 0, because we can place either here a point, so we can place here a 0. Now move towards its last part, which is 2 by 5. 2 by 5, 0.054 are 20. Simple. So we have completed this part of our exercise number 3. We can do next part in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.